Parrot by Fresia Valdivia. Employing the intricate technique of paper quilling, the artwork showcases the vibrant beauty of a majestic parrot amidst a backdrop of brilliant blue. The parrot, meticulously formed through the rolling and bending of paper strips, bursts with an array of colors, including striking hues of yellow, green, blue, and orange. Its intricate details invite exploration, from the graceful curves of its feathers to the gentle contours of its beak and talons. Set against the blue backdrop, the parrot stands out as a symbol of vibrancy and vitality, its presence evoking a sense of wonder and awe. Flanking the parrot are two side doors adorned with shimmering gold accents and delicate paper flowers in various sizes, adding a touch of elegance and whimsy to the composition. Parrot not only celebrates the beauty of nature, but also serves as a testament to the creative potential of recycled materials.